When we talk about modern residential cooling, the most popular system worldwide is the split air conditioner. But why is it called a split AC? In older window AC units, every component was packed into one single box. In a split system, we literally split the components into two separate units. One stays inside your room, and the other is placed outside. Today, we are going to look at the internal components, the refrigerant flow, and the engineering that makes this system so efficient. The indoor unit. Let's start with the indoor unit, also known as the high wall unit. Its primary job is to absorb heat from your room. Evaporator coil. This is a network of copper tubes with aluminum fins. Cold, low-pressure liquid refrigerant flows through these coils. Blower fan. A long cylindrical fan, cross-flow fan, sucks the warm air from your room and pushes it over the cold evaporator coils. Air filters. These trap dust and pollutants before the air hits the coils. Expansion valve, or capillary tube. In most residential splits, the expansion device is located in the outdoor unit, but its effect starts here, creating the pressure drop needed for cooling. The outdoor unit. Now, let's go outside. The outdoor unit is where the heavy work happens. It contains the compressor. This is the heart. It sucks in low-pressure gas from the indoor unit and compresses it into high-pressure, high-temperature gas. The condenser coil. The hot gas flows through these coils. A large axial fan blows outdoor air over them to reject the heat collected from your room to the outside environment. The fan motor. It ensures constant airflow to prevent the compressor from overheating. Refrigerant piping. Two copper lines connect the indoor and outdoor units, the suction line, larger pipe, and the liquid line, smaller pipe. The step-by-step refrigeration cycle. To understand how a split AC actually cools, you must understand the 4 stages of the refrigeration cycle. Compression. The outdoor compressor squeezes the refrigerant, making it very hot and high pressure. Condensation. The hot gas moves through the outdoor condenser coils, turns into a liquid, and releases heat to the outside air. Expansion. The high-pressure liquid passes through a capillary tube or expansion valve. The pressure drops instantly, making the refrigerant extremely cold. Evaporation. This cold liquid enters the indoor unit. As room air passes over it, the refrigerant absorbs the heat, turns back into a gas, and travels back to the compressor to start again. Advantages of a split system. Why do we prefer split ACs over window ACs? Noise reduction. Because the noisy compressor is outside, the indoor environment stays quiet. Aesthetics. They look modern and don't require a giant hole in your wall. Energy efficiency. Modern inverter split ACs can vary their compressor speed, saving up to 40% on electricity bills. Zoning. You can cool specific rooms without wasting energy on the whole house. In summary, a split AC is a masterpiece of heat transfer engineering. It doesn't create cold, it simply moves heat from the inside to the outside using the magic of the refrigeration cycle. If you found this technical breakdown helpful, please hit the like button. Subscribe to HVAC Official Channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lecture.